What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's me here, I'm back in South Florida after we went out and running from cops. So we officially clean. So we're actually just chilling right now. We're doing some car meet. If you guys don't recognize, I just got like the H2, the Ninja H2. So pretty fast, it drinks a lot of gas. So get on the bike. So we're heading here right now. So let me watch a race. Hold on. Let me clutch up real quick. Let me clutch up. Yeah. Yo. Yo.